In the last session, we have discussed the types of soils found in India, and finally we reached the last topic of the chapter, that is soil erosion and soil conservation. So let's begin. Soil erosion. Now don't get confused between land erosion and soil erosion. First you need to know what is the main difference between land and soil. The lithospheric part of the earth, which is comprised of solid rock material, is known as land. On the other hand, the soil is the surface covering of land on which vegetation grows. Now that you know the difference between the two, let's start with the definition of soil erosion. Soil erosion is defined as the wearing away of topsoil. Topsoil is the top layer of soil and is the most fertile because it contains the most organic, nutrient-rich materials. The process of soil formation and erosion go side by side, and generally there is a balance between the two. But sometimes this balance is disturbed due to natural forces like wind, glacier and water, etc. Whereas the human factors like deforestation, overgrazing, faulty methods of agriculture. Humans are the main culprits responsible for speeding up the pace of soil erosion. Sheet erosion. Sometimes water flows as sheet over large areas down a slope. In such cases, the most fertile part of the soil, that is topsoil, is washed away, and this is known as sheet erosion. Gully erosion. When the running water cuts through the clay soils and makes deep channels as gullies, the land becomes unfit for cultivation and is known as bad land. In the Chambal basin, such lands are called ravines. Plowing in a wrong way, that is up and down, the slope forms channels for the quick flow of water, leading to soil erosion. Wind erosion. This is the erosion, transportation and deposition of topsoil by wind, especially in the dust storms. This occurs especially in arid and semi-arid regions of the country. Till now, we have understood the importance of soil in our life, so we have to plan some effective ways to conserve it. First way is afforestation. Afforestation is the process of planting trees or sowing seeds in a barren land devoid of any trees to create a forest, which in turn helps in replenishment of soil. We can practice some proper farming techniques. What are they? Terrace farming. Steps can be cut out on the slopes making terraces. Terrace cultivation restricts erosion. Western and central Himalayas have well-developed terrace farming. Contour plowing. A plowing method that respects the natural shape or contour lines or a land area. Water doesn't erode the soil, but rather soaks into it and can be used by plant for growth. Crop rotation. If the same crop is sown in the same field year after year, this consumes certain nutrients from the soil, making it infertile. Crop rotation can check this type of soil erosion. Shelter belt is planting lines of trees to create shelter. Rows of such trees are called shelter belts. These shelter belts have contributed significantly to the stabilization of sand dunes and in establishing the desert in western India. Strip cropping. Large fields can be divided into strips. Strips of grass are left to grow between the crops. This breaks up the force of wind, and this method is known as strip cropping. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.